Hello everyone! Today's video is about Prestashop Custom Payment, a solution that enables you to configure multiple custom payment methods so your customers can choose the option that best fits their convenience. To create custom payments for your products, first log into your back office. Once you are in, go to the Payments section. Here, you will notice a new tab called Custom Payments. Click on it. This is where you can create and manage multiple custom payment methods. Now, let's go ahead and add a custom payment option. Simply click on the Add button and the form will appear. When you click on Add Custom Payment, you will see four main sections on this page: General, Restriction, Discount, and Extra Fee. Let's go through each of them one by one. First, we have the General section. This section helps you define the identity and behavior of your new payment method. Here, you will specify all the basic details of your payment method, including options like the name. The name will be displayed on the checkout page under the Payment Method section. The logo will be displayed next to the custom payment name. You can also set the banner that you want to display in the front office for the respective custom payment option. Additionally, the description entered in the Payment Description field will appear to customers during the checkout. You can also define the confirmation text, which will be displayed after the order is placed using this payment option. In addition, you can define the order confirmation description, which will also appear on the order confirmation page. You can also choose the order status from the Select Order Status dropdown, which will be assigned when this payment method is used. For example, I am selecting the Awaiting Bank Wire Payment status. Additionally, you can enable or disable the Send Mail to Admin option to decide whether you want to send an email notification to the admin whenever an order is placed using this particular payment option. Then there is the Status option. If you set it to Yes, the payment method will be active and visible. If you turn it off, the payment method will not appear. Now, let's move on to the Restriction section. This is where you control who can see and use this payment option. You can set limits based on specific parameters such as group restriction. So you can select the group that you would like to restrict for this respective payment option using group restriction. Similarly, carrier restriction allows you to restrict the carrier for this payment method. You can also define the minimum and maximum order amounts. The currency restriction lets you specify the currency you want to restrict for this payment method, and the country restriction allows you to restrict the country for this specific payment method. Now, let's look at the Discount section. Here, you can choose the type of discount you want to offer from the Discount Type dropdown. It can be either a percentage or a fixed amount. Next, enter the discount value, which defines how much discount the customer will receive when they choose this payment method. Finally, there is the Minimum Cart Total field. This allows you to specify the minimum cart value required for the discount to be applied. It means that the discount will only apply if the customer's cart total is equal to or greater than the value you enter here. Last, in the final section, we have the Extra Fee section. Here, you can enable the Extra Fee toggle button to apply an additional charge to your custom payment method. Once this is enabled, you will see the Extra Fee Type dropdown, where you can choose whether the fee should be a percentage or a fixed amount. Next, simply enter the fee value in the Value field. Then comes the Tax Settings section. From the Tax dropdown, you can decide whether the price should be tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive. Just below that, the Tax on Extra Fee dropdown allows you to choose whether the tax should also apply to the extra fee itself. Finally, there is a smart setting called Total Order Value for no extra fee. You can use this field to waive the extra fee once the cart total reaches a certain threshold. This means that if the customer's order total is equal to or greater than the value you set here, they will not be charged any extra fee for using this respective payment method. It is a simple and flexible way to manage additional payment costs and enhance your stored checkout experience. For now, I have saved the custom payment with the discount option. After the payment option is saved, you can view the custom payment option on the Custom Listing page. Now, I will quickly add one more custom payment option with the extra fee enabled. click on the Add button and enter all the necessary details in the General tab. Then move directly to the Extra Fee tab. Enable the Extra Fee option and enter the amount that you want to apply as an extra fee. Now save the Custom Payment option. On the Custom Payment listing page, you can edit custom payment options, delete custom payment options, and filter the available custom payments. You can also perform bulk actions on multiple customs at once. Additionally, you can change the status of the custom payments directly from the listing page, and you can also change the status of the Send Mail to Admin option from the same page. Now let's talk about the banner settings configuration page in the PrestaShop Custom Payment module. This section is designed to help you add a customized banner that appears on your homepage, at the top of pages, in the left column, and above the footer as well. You can enable or disable automatic sliding using the Auto Slide toggle button, which allows you to decide whether the banner should switch automatically or stay fixed until the user changes it. You can also pause the slide on mouse hover using the Pause Slide on Mouse Hover toggle button. You can enable or disable the navigation button using the Slide Navigation toggle button. This provides a more user-friendly browsing experience, allowing visitors to take their time reading the banner content. You can also set the time duration in the Slide Transition Delay field. This defines how long the banner remains on the screen before the next one appears in the slider. After entering all the details, click on the Save button to save the banner settings configuration. Now, let's see how this works on the front end. When you visit the front end, you can clearly see how the banner comes to life on your store homepage, on the homepage above the footer, and in the left column as well. For now, I am disabling the setting. First, we will select the product, then add it to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Next, select the address. Once we click on the Continue button, we will reach the Payment Methods section. Here, you will clearly see the custom payment options that you created and saved earlier in the back office. If you select the custom payment method with the discount configured, the discount will be applied automatically to the order total. If you choose a payment method with an extra fee, the additional charge will be added along with the product price. The extra fee is displayed on the customer order confirmation page, and it is also visible to the admin in the back office on the order details page. Finally, you can select the custom payment option and place the order. That is how easily a customer can complete their purchase using the custom payment method in PrestaShop. The confirmation text and confirmation description are also displayed on the order confirmation page. So this was all about how the PrestaShop Quantity Discount Block module works and how you can configure it according to your store's needs. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.